The Grand Canyon is a massive geological feature located in the state of Arizona, United States. It is one of the most famous natural landmarks in the world and attracts millions of visitors each year. Here is some comprehensive information about the Grand Canyon. 1. Formation and geology. The Grand Canyon was formed over millions of years by the erosive forces of the Colorado River cutting through layers of sedimentary rock. The layers exposed in the canyon walls represent nearly 2 billion years of Earth's geological history. 2. Size and dimensions. The Grand Canyon is vast, measuring approximately 277 miles, 446 kilometers, in length, up to 18 miles, 29 kilometers, in width, and reaching depths of over a mile, 6,093 feet or 1,857 meters, at its deepest point. 3. National Park status. The Grand Canyon was designated as a national park in 1919, making it one of the oldest national parks in the United States. It is managed by the National Park Service and covers an area of about 1,217,403 acres, 492,608 hectares. 4. South Rim and North Rim. The Grand Canyon has two primary rims accessible to the public, the South Rim and the North Rim. The South Rim is the most visited and easily accessible throughout the year, offering numerous viewpoints, visitor facilities, and activities. The North Rim is less developed, higher in elevation, and typically open from mid-May to mid-October. 5. Grand Canyon West. In addition to the South Rim and North Rim, there is a section of the Grand Canyon called Grand Canyon West, which is owned and operated by the Hualapai tribe. This area features the famous Skywalk, a glass-bottomed observation platform that extends over the canyon, offering incredible views. 6. Scenic viewpoints. The Grand Canyon offers numerous breathtaking viewpoints, such as Mather Point, Yavapai Point, Desert View Watchtower, and Hermit's Rest. These viewpoints provide stunning panoramic vistas of the canyon, showcasing its vastness and intricate rock formations. 7. Hiking and trails. There are several hiking trails within the Grand Canyon, ranging from easy walks along the rim to challenging multi-day backpacking adventures. Popular trails include the Bright Angel Trail, South Kaibab Trail, North Kaibab Trail, and Rim to Rim Trail. 8. Colorado River. The Colorado River flows through the Grand Canyon, carving the steep walls and creating the iconic rapids. Rafting and boating trips are available for adventurous visitors who want to experience the canyon from the river. 9. Wildlife and plant life. The Grand Canyon is home to a diverse array of plant and animal species. Wildlife commonly seen in the area includes mule deer, elk, California condors, bighorn sheep, and various reptiles and birds. The vegetation changes with elevation, ranging from desert shrubs and cacti to pine forests. 10. Visitor centers and museums. The Grand Canyon has multiple visitor centers, including the Canyon View Information Plaza, Yavapai Observation Station, and Desert View Visitor Center. These facilities provide educational exhibits, interpretive programs, maps, and helpful information for visitors. 11. Grand Canyon Skywalk. The Grand Canyon Skywalk is a popular attraction located in Grand Canyon West. It is a horseshoe-shaped glass bridge that extends over the canyon, offering visitors a thrilling experience and stunning views of the Colorado River below. Tourism and activities. Tourism is a significant industry around the Grand Canyon, with a wide range of activities available for visitors. Besides hiking and rafting, other popular activities include scenic helicopter and airplane tours, camping, stargazing, photography, and exploring the historic structures along the rim.